Hey, good morning, students. Today is Monday, March 8th, and this week we're going to be working on presenting our computer science career presentations, the presentations that we created last week in Google Slides. Cohort A and Cohort B are going to be presenting those this week, okay? So that's what we'll be doing in class. For my remote students, you guys need to make sure that you get those sent to me this week. Okay, if you have not sent those those Google Slide presentations to me, make sure you get those sent to me this week, okay? Once we've completed all of our presentations, this is going to be the last week of the 9 weeks. So what we're going to be doing is making sure that we have all of our grades caught up, make sure we don't have any zeros in the grade book, and we're going to be going through all the modules from the beginning of the semester to now to make sure that none of my students are missing any assignments. Okay, so once you get your once you present this week, that's what you're going to be doing. If you have sent in your stuff, if you're a remote student and you've sent in your stuff, your presentation, let's go through the grade book and make sure that we're not missing anything. Okay, I am going to be contacting those that have zeros or unsubmitted assignments in the grade book. I'm going to be contacting you by midweek this week to make sure that we get those caught up before the grading period ends. Okay, I want to make sure you guys are as successful as possible and that you have all the opportunity to get those grades submitted. Okay, so just to recap, this week we're going to be presenting our computer science career presentations, and we're going to be making sure that we got all of our assignments completed. Okay, you guys have a great day and a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.